Hello traders, in this video we'll be doing a weekly analysis on the pair GBPJPY in multiple time frames for the upcoming week. Now by the end of this week's market close on Friday, we can see that GBPJPY on a weekly time frame, just like the previous week, in this week as well, GBPJPY kept on ranging in between this high to like this low over here, while still moving in respect to this downtrend line over here, as you can see, and also while respecting this key level as its support level, like a strong support level over here. Now GBPJPY is also moving in respect to this beautiful uptrend channel for a really long time, as you can see from here. Now GBPJPY, if is to push down, then it needs to make a breakout of this major support zone, as you can see over here, creating new lower low. Similarly, it needs to make a breakout of this downtrend line, or better yet, this major resistance zone, for GBPJPY to continue pushing up in respect to this uptrend channel as well. Now if you go to this daily time frame, then you can see this downtrend line over here, and also you can see another uptrend line right over here. So GBPJPY is moving in respect to this downtrend line and also moving in respect to this uptrend line over here as well, shrinking the price in between these two trend line, while also facing support over here and resistance over here. Now GBPJPY shrinking the price in between these two trend line is also making it to form this symmetrical pattern over here, as you can see this the price shrinking in between two trend lines over here in this triangle shape. So GBPJPY needs to make a breakout of this symmetrical pattern to continue pushing up or down. And oftentimes we see, like, when a price ranges for a really long time, then when a breakout of that range happens, then there happens to be a lot of more momentum in the price, for the price to move in the direction of the breakout with further momentum. So we are expecting a breakout of this overall structure for GBPJPY to continue pushing in the direction of the breakout with huge momentum. Now GBPJPY has this resistance level on a shorter time frame point of view, like a 4-hour time frame point of view, and also this support level as well. But on a higher time frame point of view, it has this major support zone, as you can see all these major retest points, and also it has this major resistance zone, as you can see this major retest over here. Now if you go to even 4-hour time frame, then you can also see how GBPJPY is creating this descending triangle pattern as well, while facing support over here, having a hard time making a breakout of this key level, while also moving in respect to this downtrend line. So it is it just formed this descending triangle pattern on a 4-hour time frame, as you can see over here. Now if GBPJPY makes a break and close below this key level with further bearish momentum, then we can look for trades on the short side on the breakout of this previous low, in hopes of GBPJPY coming all the way down to make a retest on this major support zone, which you saw on the daily time frame as well, right around here. Now if GBPJPY even makes a break and close below this key zone, then we can look for further trades on the breakout of this previous low, in hopes of GBPJPY continuing to pushing down in respect to this downtrend line and coming all the way down to make a retest on this key level as well, which you saw on a higher time frame point of view on the weekly time frame right around here. And there would also be a breakout of this uptrend line that you see on the daily time frame over here, if GBPJPY makes a breakout of this low as well. However, if GBPJPY, instead of doing this, if it finds support over here at this key zone or over here at this key level and continues to form higher lows and makes a breakout of this key level, then it might come all the way up to make a retest on this key zone over here, which is the major resistance zone GBPJPY is currently facing. And if it makes a break and close even above that key zone, then you can look for further trades on the long side, in hopes of GBPJPY continuing to push up to retest this key zone or this key zone in respect to the major uptrend channel that you saw on the higher time frame. GBPJPY is following up like this one. So wait to see what GBPJPY does around this key level right over here and around this key level over here, and then look for trades whether on the long side or on the short side, depending on which direction GBPJPY makes a breakout of. So that's my analysis on GBPJPY in multiple time frames for this week. And if this video helped you guys, then as always, please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below, and also give this video a thumbs up, and I'll give a link to this whole trading chart in the video description as well. And to know more about my mentorship details, then you can always contact me on Instagram or Telegram from the links in the video description as well. So I'll see you guys on the next week with another analysis video on GBPJPY.